All right, guys, it's been a couple weeks since I've given an update on the chickens and the fish. So I've just been kind of fine-tuning the chicken coop still. Put this piece of plastic here for them because they like to roost up on this at night, and even if it's raining, they'll still go up there and they'll just get rained on instead of going in their house. Maybe it's just hot this time of year, I don't know. Here they all come. Maybe something like that. Here's the fish tank. It's doing awesome. I am just waiting on the fish. Just ordered some tilapia. The plants are doing pretty good up top. We got some lettuce, cucumber, tomato, somewhere over there. That's some more lettuce. There should be tomato somewhere. I don't think the tomato took that well, but there should be some. There are a couple dogs. Yeah, you can see where they sit over that. And then they ended up getting rained on, and I don't think they enjoyed that much. So, of course, because, you know, chickens aren't the smartest. But ducks are really not that smart. Chickens are much smarter than ducks. Hey, Rotini. How you doing? This is kind of our little adventurous one. Always off doing something, kind of away from the pack. It's not that safe, dude. Don't do that. Get the grapefruit. Jess? Yeah, here's the gang. They've been doing well. Keep some water out here for them because they don't spend any time in their house at all. None. Like 0% of the day is spent in their house, only at night. So they usually just kind of hang out under this, whatever you call this type of plant. It's some kind of interesting tree, bush, kind of bamboo-like. They always fall off and make a huge mess. They spend all their time kind of in this area with Henry. They all share food. And then they also pick all the weeds that grow through here, so that's really cool. They kill all the bugs. They go into Henry's house to eat the bugs. They go into Bowser's house to eat the bugs. They kind of just hang around with them. They all seem to enjoy each other, so that's always good. The dogs don't mind them at all. They just want to play with them. Like Jess right now wants to just play with the chickens. But chickens are doing great. So 8 of them still. All 8 of them are still doing well. This white one right here, Sanders, I'm thinking might be a rooster. This one right here, oh, well, I tried to grab him, but he was a little quick. Yeah, are you a rooster? I'm like pretty sure you're the rooster of the group. Maybe Franklin right there. Yeah, they fight, see? That's why I'm thinking roosters. Maybe these two. I put this thing in there for Henry to potentially use it, or the chickens. They also like to stand on this. They have a good little spot here. Here are the ducks. Ducks are not that intelligent, I'll tell you that. Chickens are much smarter than ducks. Golden retrievers are smarter than all of them. Here comes Bowser. Just checking on things. Oh, there's another chicken fight going on. Yeah, so chickens are doing great. They'll go into Henry's house and clean that out of bugs, which is awesome. And I've tried not to feed them all too much. I just try to feed them enough for like one day, not like overfeeding them, so that they will learn, and they are getting really good at finding their own food, because I do want them to be more independent on that kind of stuff and more bug oriented, killing bugs and ants and whatever else they find in the yard. I'd rather them do that and eating the greens, because they eat a lot of leaves and stuff that I've noticed. So I'd rather them do more of that than more of just me constantly feeding them. And then the water's easy because I already put that out for the tortoises, and the ducks will also lay in it. But yeah, it's all doing pretty well. So very happy with everything. Oh, and I guess I didn't really even say on the plants over here, I put this cover on it. That's like it's kind of like a screened cover, I guess you'd say, because I noticed that the plants getting so much direct sunlight, it was just kind of wrecking them during the day. They were just starting to weep and like struggle in the heat. So I put this on to try to help them, and just kind of curved this piece of metal to try to give them a little bit of a fighting chance here, because this is a bad time of year for plants, but it is what it is. Bowser over here chasing. Chasing Rotini. Pick one up.
Scared. Do you think they're more scared of us? Or do you think they're gonna be tough soon to where they like run up to us?
I mean, I could tell you they're probably more scared of me than I am of them.
Yeah.
I can tell you that.
But me. Oh, Millie.
Millie will get pecked every now and then.
Like, if one started chasing me, I would.
You'd get scared?
Yeah.
What if one started chasing you, Jess? Would you be scared? What about like this one, the big one? Hey, come here. Hello.
That's a big girl. Millie. Millie.
You got pecked. You want to get pecked too?
That was mean.
What, me? She put her face in. You got pecked. You got pecked.
You're gonna get pecked again, girl. Oh, she's gonna get you, Jess.
Get her. Get her.
Why are they having sex?
Get her.
Stop.
What? Who are you more scared of, Jess or the chicken? Who's gonna lose?
Look at it. Jess is pissed at him.
Hey, back away. You were the one that got in her face.
Oh my god, that was funny.
Jess is so mad.
Putting up a fight.
She ain't scared. She ain't scared of Jess. Already pecked her. Don't get in there, Millie. Yeah, you guys are tough. Good job. Freaking beat those dogs up. They deserve it. Hi. Oh, only you like being picked up? Oh. Oh yeah, tough guy, huh?
Did you see that? Oh my god. He's not scared.
Good, that's how they should be.
Wait until
The
they're
dogs
big.
need to learn. Jess is like, let me try a different one.
Oh, Jessie. Get it,
Hey.
Jess.
No barking. They're not doing anything to you. You're the one going to them. Oh, Luna has the grapefruit. She's ruined the game. Luna always ruins their game of fetch. Cut it out. Millie, you want to get pecked? Millie, look. Millie, look. You're way tougher than Jess.
Jess is just like a ditzy dog.
She ain't that smart. She doesn't have all of her marbles.
Come on.
Luna, why don't you just give it up? Luna won't give it up. No, she does that. You don't need another one. There's another one around here somewhere. Just find it. All right, there's your update on the fish, the chickens, the dogs, and Bronte's still alive. And me too. She hasn't buried me yet. Mostly because of my scooter addiction.
Oh my god.
We'll show you guys that in another video.